Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to freeze a video in CapCut PC. Begin by opening the CapCut PC and start a new project. Import the video clip you want to freeze into your timeline. Navigate to the point in the video where you want to freeze it. Right-click on the video clip at that point or select Split from the sidebar. Select the split portion of the video that you want to freeze. Right-click on the selected portion and choose Freeze Frame from the menu. CapCut will automatically create a freeze frame of the selected portion, extending it for the desired duration. You can adjust the duration of the freeze frame by dragging its edges in the timeline. Once you're satisfied with the freeze frame, continue editing your video or export it as needed. That's it! You've successfully frozen a video clip in CapCut PC. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.